Bis nach USA. Wir haben Rob Herring hier mit seinen Occupy-Songs und Anti-Gentechnik-Songs, Rock for Nature, der Natur eine Stimme geben.
Here we are, it's just the first wave. It's been a long time coming since we were so brave. We're all in different places, so we're all around, members of one race now. We're gonna hold our ground, and you can't walk all over us now. It's time we set the balance right.
This concert, Rock for Nature, is exactly the type of event that my music is kind of made for, and these are the type of people that I write these songs for, to give a new way to spread the messages of health and safety in our food, and talking about the GMOs and the Occupy movement, and finishing the rest of the album now all about health and social issues. And Berlin has just been fantastic. It's my first time in Germany, and we love it. We've been having a blast.
Blinded by their greed, well, we're here in Berlin to take a stand against it. When all the politicians listen.
Music is my talent, and that's what I want to use to try to help that message get out there. So
protecting the corporate interest. You can't walk over.
It means a lot to me to take care of the planet, and I think people are starting to understand that as things get worse and worse across the globe. So this is the time, it's a crucial time to take back a natural movement to protect the earth and respect the planet.
Wir Bauern wehren uns gegen die Machenschaften von Monsanto, die unsere Natur zu ihrem Geschäftsmodell erheben wollen. Freier Zugang von uns Bauern zur Natur und gleichzeitig die Verantwortung für die Natur zu übernehmen, das ist unser Motto und unsere Richtung.
It's a tough situation in America right now. Most people, unfortunately, don't even know about the issue of the genetically modified foods. So we're just kind of at the start of getting the information out there, and we believe if we can get enough people to agree not to buy that type of food. We have no say left. There's nothing left for us to do. But